Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into a pressing issue that affects our planet, plastic and microplastic pollution. We will explore the causes, impacts, and solutions to this global problem. Plastic pollution refers to the accumulation of plastic waste in our environment, particularly in our oceans and landfills. Did you know that since the mass production of plastics began in the 1950s, over 8.3 billion metric tons of plastic have been produced worldwide? That's equivalent to the weight of more than a billion elephants. One of the most devastating consequences of plastic pollution is its impact on marine life. Countless marine animals, such as turtles, seabirds, and whales, mistake plastic debris for food or become entangled in it, leading to injury and death. In fact, studies have shown that millions of marine animals die each year due to plastic ingestion or entanglement. But it's not just the visible plastic waste that poses a danger. Microplastics, tiny plastic particles measuring less than 5 millimeters in size, have become a major concern. These microplastics can originate from larger plastic debris that breaks down over time or be intentionally added to products like cosmetics and cleaning agents. The presence of microplastics in our environment raises significant health concerns. These particles can enter the food chain when ingested by small organisms, eventually making their way up to larger animals and potentially even humans. The long-term effects of microplastic ingestion on human health are still being studied, but it's a growing concern that requires our attention. So, where does all this plastic come from? Plastic pollution has multiple sources, including improper waste management, littering, and the excessive use of single-use plastics. Everyday items like plastic bags, straws, and beverage bottles contribute to this problem. It's essential that we address both the production and consumption sides of the issue. Fortunately, there are steps we can take to combat plastic pollution. Governments and organizations worldwide are implementing measures such as plastic bag bans, recycling programs, and promoting sustainable alternatives. But we, as individuals, also have a role to play. By reducing our consumption of single-use plastics, recycling responsibly, and supporting eco-friendly businesses, we can make a difference. In addition to individual actions, scientists and innovators are developing exciting solutions to tackle plastic pollution. These range from the development of biodegradable plastics to the use of advanced filtration systems to remove microplastics from water sources. It's encouraging to see how human creativity and ingenuity can be harnessed for positive change. Now, more than ever, we need to come together to address plastic pollution. Let's spread awareness, educate others, and encourage sustainable practices. We can choose to be part of the solution and create a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. Together, we can turn the tide on plastic pollution. The presence of microplastics in edible fish is a concerning issue, but it's important to note that the percentage can vary depending on various factors such as the location, species of fish, and specific study parameters. Several studies have found the presence of microplastics in the digestive tracts of fish, but estimating the exact percentage of fish globally that contain microplastics is challenging due to the vastness of the world's oceans and the limited scope of research. A study published in the journal Environmental Science and Technology in 2015 examined fish and shellfish intended for human consumption from markets in California and Indonesia. They found that approximately 25% of the fish and 33% of the shellfish contained microplastics. Another study published in the journal Environmental Pollution in 2018 analyzed fish from markets in California and Indonesia, as well as wild-caught fish from the California coast. They reported that approximately 25% of the fish contained microplastics. A global analysis published in the journal Global Change Biology in 2020 estimated that approximately one-third of all commercially important fish species have ingested microplastics. While these studies provide some insights into the prevalence of microplastics in edible fish, it's important to recognize that the issue is widespread and not limited to specific regions or species. Microplastics can enter the marine environment from various sources, including plastic debris, microbeads from personal care products, and the breakdown of larger plastic items. Efforts are underway to better understand the impacts of microplastics on human health and the environment, and to develop strategies for reducing plastic pollution. It is crucial to address the issue at its source by reducing plastic waste, improving waste management systems, and promoting sustainable practices to protect both marine ecosystems and human health. I hope this video has shed light on the severity of the issue and inspired you to take action. Remember, small changes in our daily lives can have a significant impact. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content. Until next time.